It is 6:40 in the evening, and it's so dark, guys. So dark. This is looks like a massive storm. There's leaves. Look at that time. Oh, sorry. You can't see it probably, but look, guys. So dark. Wow. The cloud. It's a matter of minutes before it starts pouring.
It's crazy how the clouds.
Yeah, look over there, guys. It's bright over there. It's like regular. Over here on top of us, it's a storm. Look, guys. Look, guys. It's so dark. And it's like in a circular moon. Oh, there's a car broken down. Oh, God. And look, it was just a normal day. Like I'm telling you, it's just a normal day. And these clouds come in out of nowhere. Literally out of nowhere. Like, look at that color change. It's stormy, sunny. Stormy, cloudy. Sunny. Cloudy and stormy, sunny. Wow. There. It's coming from, this storm is coming from the northwest. And yeah, a big storm. Texas.
It's raining already.
Days. Oh yeah, look, starting to rain. You can't see good, but look, there's a raindrop. Starting to rain. Yep, started. Yeah, you can't see on camera, guys, but it's raining. It's raining. Okay, well, I'm gonna cut the video and, well, like and subscribe. I'll make another video when we're at home to show you how it's pouring. But, bye. Peace.